This video, part of the Technical Knowledge series, explores a fundamental safety feature in electrical design: why the neutral pin is wider than the hot pin. We will cover polarization, safety standards, and earthing. Before understanding the why, let's clarify the what. In modern electrical standards, the hot or phase pin carries the voltage. The neutral pin provides the return path, and the earth or ground pin is for safety. The design where the neutral pin is physically wider is called polarization. This ensures the plug can only be inserted in one orientation. This maintains a consistent current path from the source through the appliance. Direction matters for safety. In legacy circuits, non-polarized plugs could be flipped, creating a safety risk. Polarized safety sockets ensure the internal switch always interrupts the hot wire, making the device truly safe when off. Consider the light bulb danger. Polarization ensures the hot wire connects to the inner center tab, while the neutral connects to the accessible threaded shell. If reversed, the shell becomes hot, creating a shock hazard even if the switch is off. The critical safety benefits include voltage control, keeping high potential voltage away from accessible interfaces, and switch safety, ensuring the device is dead when off. This design also aids in fault reduction. The size difference is an engineering precision feature, providing 100% insertion accuracy. This physical difference acts as an idiot-proof mechanical interlock, reinforcing that safety should be built into the hardware. In 3-pin systems, the earth pin is actually the largest of all. It is often confused with the neutral pin, because both are designed to be wider or larger for safety and mechanical reliability. In UK and Indian standards, the earth pin is longer and thicker. Its length ensures grounding before power is connected. Its thickness provides a low-resistance path to safely handle massive fault currents during a short circuit. The longer earth pin also serves as a mechanical trigger, pushing open the internal safety shutters for the live and neutral connections. Always verify correct polarization and earthing using a socket tester. The mechanical trigger function is crucial for internal shutters. As professionals, we must verify polarization and earthing using a socket tester to ensure the safety mechanisms are correctly wired and functioning. The electrician's checklist includes verifying the wide slot is connected to the neutral wire and never modifying a larger pin to fit an old socket. Always check internal shutters, and remember that larger refers to width for neutral and length or girth for earth.